I've shared this with so many people. This was Jessica who actually had me pivot and leave my cushy job and the provincial government and my high pay and my golden pension to pursue this whole coaching dream. And so I was sharing this with Jessica, and she said, Tracy, she said, I need to challenge you. I said, yeah, go for it. And she says, what do you get from working at a level that you've already worked at that you have described as ugly? What do you want your personal legacy to be? Now, how's that for a mind-blowing question? And that totally changed my life. So I have to share that story because to me, it was a life-changing moment. Thank you, Jessica.